Hello everybody, this is a tutorial for both TomoSegmentTv and PySeg plugins which are currently integrated in Scipion. This is the roadmap we are going to follow during this tutorial. We're going to work with some synthetic data which consists on a set of tomograms which contains some membranes. We're going to try to pick membrane particles and then try to perform a 2D classification. But before going to the picking, we have to start with TomoSegmentTv plugin and performing a segmentation over the data and then a manual annotation of the membranes. At that point, we are ready to move to PySeg. The picking consists of 4 steps. Each of these 4 steps is a Scipion protocol. First one is the PySeg, which is like a pre-processing data protocol as expected by the graphs. Then we move to the graph calculation. After that, we perform the filament calculation, and finally the picking can be done. From the picking to the classification there are some steps which are not part of PySeg nor TomoSegmentTv, which are going to be quickly mentioned just to offer a whole view of the pipeline. By the point we have the particles extracted, we can use the post-rec algorithm, which is in that case again another Scipion protocol, is the angles, and it is very useful when we are going to then carry out a 2D classification operation. So this is the roadmap, and let's move to the segmentation.